Are you ready?
Hey everybody, welcome to the Art of Comics. This is your video of the week. We're doing a little automatism, automatic drawing, painting. And this was last week's. We did just a quick little sketch, and this is not really finished. Maybe it's finished. This is just something that you can make just to have fun, relax, let the energy flow through you. So we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to do a quick little painting here. And it's just a bit about being free. It doesn't have to be representational of anything. It could be crazy busy like this. It could be totally minimal, whatever. The point is just to go without thinking. This was a philosophy and art movement that happened in the early 1900s, I think around 1910, 1920. And it's one of these kind of like abstract kind of modalities. Okay, so let's go ahead and start painting right now. So blank canvas, and this is 11 by 14, and I'm just gonna start painting. This is oils, I should mention, and actually, yeah, we won't lock it in. Okay, so my palette, I just got a bunch of stuff I've been painting this morning, and so we're just gonna use what I have. I'm not gonna worry about anything else. So I've got a couple brushes. I'm just gonna go for it. Just go for it, bro. Just go for it, brother. Let's see here. Beep 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 beep. Actually, I'm gonna lock it in because I'm gonna go a little wild. We're going to use some mineral spirits to dilute it down. We have linseed oil, which is my binder. And we're just going to be playing. I'm not going to talk too much. I'm going to try to concentrate. What's happening here? Fun. This is actually becoming something now, unintentionally. It may be, or maybe subconsciously. I really like this little blue-red interaction here we've got going. This green, I'm not sure if this green is going to work or not. I think it's a little muddy right there. That's okay. Just want to do this edge right here. Okay, well, let's change brushes actually. Switch brushes. Okay. Oh, let's lock this down a bit more. Where's my ochre? I don't have any more ochre. Darn it. Okay. I want to put some blue. I want to put some more of that blue in here. It's kind of like the way that worked. But now it's a landscape, right? We're going to turn this into a landscape in about 2 seconds. So I'm going to put this blue here, and now it's a landscape. And that's okay. It's just what it turned out to be. I didn't plan for that, but that's what's happening. Ah. There you go. That actually looks kind of cool. Kind of like that. Yeah, I kind of like that. Let's, really what we're going to have to do is let this dry for a bit. Let me put a little more white. Okay, this is so like wet and juicy. I can't really do much with it right now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just leave it alone. We did it. We painted something really quick. We'll do more of these. We'll probably like, maybe I'll do another video like cleaning this up a bit. So, ba-dow. I like that. That's actually kind of fun. Now, done. See that? We did that in what? 6 minutes. Like a first round. I like it. Now, I don't want it to keep dripping, so I'm gonna actually lay it flat for a little bit, and maybe I'll even touch up a little bit of this stuff with my rag. Oh, maybe I won't do that. That doesn't really work good. Yeah. That doesn't work good, does it? Damn it. Okay, well, we're gonna let that dry. And for bonus, we're gonna, maybe we'll go back to this real quick and just add a little more to it. Okay. Did you guys know I have a membership now? We have Art of Comics memberships, which is cool because now memberships we're going to have some membership only videos. We're going to do some one-on-one chats. We're going to do some question and answer stuff. So if you become a member of the Art of Comics, I think it's $3. I just did one membership type. I'm not going to go crazy on it. I thought, you know what, let's do something fun. So let's do that. So I'm curious, those of you who are going to want to do that, how that's going to roll. So I'm experimenting with offerings and such, and I want to hear what you guys think about it. So now you might be saying, why are you painting over this? Why are you ruining it? And you know what? The answer is, I don't know. I feel like it. And I'm just kind of doing what I think is fun. Okay, what's this, black? Okay. I'm just basically painting until I'm running out of paint here on my palette. Don't be precious. Go with it. Go with it, bro. Okay, I think I'm... What else is on here? Now it's just getting muddy. That's okay. Okay. Okay, we're playing with that. We're done with that. There you go. Thanks for watching. More videos. We're doing videos. Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, and all that kind of stuff. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.